Let me be completely honest with you about something. I have been creating UPSC content for years. I have a channel with 300 videos and 5 years of history. And I made a deliberate decision to start completely fresh. New channel, new format, new language, new identity. Today, I want to tell you exactly why. Because the reasons behind this decision are directly connected to why this channel will be different from every other UPSC channel you have watched before. And more importantly, why it will make a genuine difference to your preparation. Hi, I am Rahul Tajnekar, your own UPSC mentor and coach, director of Rahul Sir's IAS Academy Nagpur, and author of the book Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, an ultimate guide to score 160 plus marks in GS Paper 4. I have appeared for the UPSC interview 3 times. I have been mentoring UPSC aspirants for 14 years. And I have spent a significant amount of time thinking about the gap between how aspirants consume UPSC content and how they actually perform in the examination. Today's video is about that gap and about why this channel exists to close it. Let me start with an observation that I think every serious UPSC aspirant will recognize immediately. You spend hours every day watching UPSC content on YouTube. Strategy videos, current affairs analysis, GS lectures, motivation videos, and almost all of it is in Hinglish. Now here is the question I want you to sit with for a moment. When you walk into the examination hall on the day of UPSC mains, what language do you write your answers in? English. When you open Lakshmikant, what language is it written in? English. When you read the Hindu for current affairs, what language are you reading in? English. When you write your ethics case study answers, what language are you thinking in? English. Your entire preparation ecosystem, every book, every resource, every answer sheet operates in English. And yet, almost every UPSC YouTube channel delivers content in Hinglish. There is a fundamental mismatch between how this community consumes content and how it performs. I built this channel to eliminate that mismatch. Every video on this channel is in pure English. Not because I'm trying to be elitist, not because I think Hinglish content is bad. There are genuinely excellent Hinglish UPSC channels and I respect what they have built. But because I believe that the aspirant who is serious about clearing UPSC mains deserves a channel that trains their brain in the same language they will perform in. When you watch this channel, you are not just learning ethics frameworks and GS strategies. You are simultaneously training your English thinking, your ability to construct arguments in English, your comfort with the vocabulary and sentence structures that fetch marks in UPSC answers. Every hour you spend watching this channel is double value preparation, content preparation, and language preparation simultaneously. No other UPSC channel on YouTube is doing this deliberately and consistently. That is not a coincidence. That is a gap. And this channel exists to fill it. Now let me tell you the second reason I started fresh with a new channel. My old channel has 300 videos, 5 years of content. And if you go there today, you will find something I am genuinely not proud of. Inconsistency. Lecture dumps recorded in classrooms. Videos posted without a clear content strategy. Topics covered randomly based on what felt relevant that week. No consistent framework, no systematic chapter coverage, no clear identity. I was creating content the way most coaching institutes create content, reactively, responding to what was trending, posting when time permitted, without a deliberate system. That channel served a purpose at its time, but it does not represent the level of preparation intelligence I want to deliver to serious aspirants today. This new channel is built on a completely different foundation. Every video has a specific purpose within a larger content architecture. Every ethics video covers one chapter with one complete answer writing framework. Every GS strategy video addresses one specific preparation challenge with one actionable system. Every motivation video delivers one honest insight from 14 years of mentoring experience. Consistent format, consistent thumbnails, consistent posting schedule, consistent English delivery, consistent quality. Because I know from 14 years of mentoring that the aspirant who succeeds is not the one who prepares the hardest in short bursts. It is the one who prepares consistently over time. This channel is built to support that consistency. The third reason is about who I want to serve. UPSC preparation content on YouTube reaches lakhs of viewers, but most of that content is designed for the broadest possible audience, the casual browser, the person who is just exploring whether UPSC is for them, the first year aspirant who needs basic orientation. That audience is important, but it is not my primary audience. My primary audience is the serious UPSC aspirant, the person who has committed to this journey, who is 1 or 2 years into preparation, who has already read the NCRTs and Lakshmikant, who is now asking, how do I convert this knowledge into marks? How do I write answers that actually score? How do I approach GS paper 4 with a system instead of hoping for the best? That aspirant does not need more content. They need better frameworks. They do not need more motivation. They need more precision. And they are completely comfortable consuming content in English because that is the language of their entire preparation. This channel is built for that aspirant, specifically, deliberately, without compromise. If you are that aspirant, you are exactly where you need to be. Let me also tell you what this channel is not. This channel is not a classroom recording uploaded to YouTube. This channel is not a place where I talk for 90 minutes covering a chapter end to end. This channel is not general motivation dressed up as preparation advice. Every video on this channel is 10 to 15 minutes, precise, focused on one specific preparation challenge, built around one actionable framework with real previous year questions demonstrated live. Because I know from sitting in the examination hall myself 3 times that what you need in those 3 hours is not more information. It is a reliable framework that your hands can execute under pressure. That is what this channel delivers every single week without exception. So here is my commitment to you. Every week, 3 new videos. 1 ethics framework video, 1 GS strategy or preparation intelligence video, 1 motivation or strategy video addressing the real challenges serious aspirants face. Every video in pure English. Every video with a clear framework. Every video drawing directly from my book Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude and from 14 years of mentoring hundreds of aspirants through this journey. No filler, no padding, no recycled content, no lecture dumps. Just precise, framework-based English medium preparation intelligence delivered consistently for the serious UPSC aspirant who is done with scattered preparation and ready for a system. If that is you, subscribe right now. Hit the bell icon so you do not miss a single video. And leave a comment below telling me what is your single biggest challenge in UPSC preparation right now. I read every comment and your responses will directly shape the content I build for this channel in the coming months. This channel is new. The subscriber count is small right now, but I want to tell you something that 14 years of mentoring has taught me. The aspirant who joins a journey at the beginning, before it becomes famous and stays consistent, is always the one who benefits most. This channel is at the beginning. You are here at the beginning. That is not a disadvantage. That is an opportunity. Let us build this together. Download the Rahul Sir's Next Gen Bureaucrats app for daily current affairs to complement everything you learn on this channel. It is free. Link is in the description. All the best. Prepare smart, prepare in English, prepare consistently.